Hi, this is Heather Cole with Lodestar Solutions. Today I'm going to answer the question for you of what rights does a TM1 contributor really have with regard to Excel. This has been a question that a lot of us have been answering, and with the help of IBM, I have the answer. So the Enterprise Planning TM1 Contributor has recently been renamed the Performance Management User. So when you hear PM user or performance management user, no, those are one and the same. It's really the TM1 contributor. So after we've purchased the analytics server and the modelers for TM1 so that we can actually build models, let's look closely at the licensing for the contributor. And on the screen you'll see right now some description of what it can do, but I want to focus on the line in red that says create private and public presentation objects via TM1 for Microsoft Excel. Well, for those of you that know the software, you're like, what do they mean, right? What they mean is they're referencing to perspectives, right? And that in that add-in for Excel. So now let's focus more on how do they do that, because you might be thinking they need admin rights to do public views of things. So I asked that of IBM for clarification. And what we learned is that a TM1 contributor or PM user that does not have admin rights can save public subsets, public cube views, and public worksheets, and presentation objects, which are basically worksheets, right, into the public applications folder. So what's going to happen is you're going to have an admin that is going to designate non-admin users to a security group. And then they're going to give that security group admin rights to designated TM1 security objects. So first, they're going to give rights to the application folder, right? The non-admin user that's in that security group that is given admin access to that application folder then may add presentation objects to that folder, thus resulting in it being publicly viewed. So also that non-admin that's in that security group can have admin rights to do public subsets as long as they're granted designation to that dimension that they're going to create the subset for. And finally, of course, they are able to do the public views when the admin gives that security group rights to the designated cube. So the kind of workaround and how this all works is that admin has to grant a security group certain rights to objects, and then kind of through that, the non-admin contributor will be able to add items or create subsets that it can be publicly viewed. So hopefully that helps settle this problem that we've been debating for a long time, is how do you do it when you can't give them admin rights? So please think about this, look at it. We want everyone to stay in compliance. As you know, IBM has the right to audit you. So if you have any licensing questions and aren't sure what functionality you own, please reach out to us. I can be reached at hcole@lodestarsolutions.com. If you're on Twitter, please follow us. On the screen, you'll see both our corporate Twitter account and my personal one, which is Heather Eyes. I can also be reached by phone. So please reach out to us if you have any questions, and have a great day.